You guys, how is it going? I did a poll on my channel asking which video would you like to see me doing, and the majority of you asked for life as a girl versus life as a boy. So this is going to be today's video. For who of you doesn't know or not familiar with my channel, I am a transgender woman. My name is Nafal Morali and I am from Tel Aviv, Israel. I make mostly transgender related content here on my YouTube channel, and if that's something that's interesting to you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So there are many factors to living as a boy versus living as a girl. You can actually define that by every aspect, but I'm going to share my most important ones, the ones that I have noticed the most. So the first difference between living as a boy and living as a girl is that people will most likely ask you to help them, like in the street, you know, like if you can help them carry something, versus like if you're a girl, then people most likely would like to offer you help. That's what I've noticed, because when I was a little boy, all those old ladies and old men would ask me if I could help them to lift bags or stuff like that. Excuse me, grandson, can you please help me with my bags? They are very heavy. Sorry, what? Help me with my bags. Carry them home. Oh, yeah, sure, of course. Thank you. But now that I'm a woman, people will most likely offer me help, even if I don't need it. Hey, oh, pretty girl, do you need some help with all those bags you're carrying? I see you struggling. No, that's okay. It's not heavy at all. You see, it's a little bag. Why? Let me help you. You're a weak girl. I will help you. I'm a strong man. No, that's fine. I can do it myself, I think. Thank you, sir. Okay, whatever. Ciao. So they just like come to me and say, do you need something? Can I help you? And yeah, that's something I've definitely noticed. Now the second difference living as a boy versus living as a girl is if you're a boy, people will expect you to be mentally strong, and that's totally nonsense, because of course we're all humans and we all have emotions, but unfortunately that's how society works. So people will expect from you to not feel, I guess, if you're a boy, and that's so wrong. Yeah, dude, I'm listening. What happened? Bro, you won't believe that she just broke up with me. Oh, actually, she broke up with you? Such a stupid girl. How she can broke up with a man like you? I can't believe it. I'm broken. I'm devastated. Oh, don't tell me you're sad because of that. But I loved her so much. She's the love of my life. Come on, dude, we go out to the bar tonight and we find you another hot chick. No, it won't help. I don't want no one else. I want just her. I'm so broken. Don't tell me you're actually upset because of her. You're only together for 2 years. It's nothing. You'll get over that by tomorrow. You'll even forget her name by the end of this week. How can you say it? We were together for 2 all years. It's sad that you can't understand me because I'm a man and you think that I don't have any feelings. I'm sure that you have some as well. Come on, dude, man up. And if you're a girl, people will expect you to be overly emotional, which is sometimes true, you know, because from my experience going on HRT, I feel more emotional with hormones, with estrogen. But still, also guys have emotions, and boys and people with testosterone in their body, I guess, have emotions. So it's such a cliche and it's so not true, but that's just how society expects you to be, I guess. So if you're a girl, people will expect you to be more emotional, even if you're sometimes not so emotional. Girl, you won't believe that I just broke up with him after like 6 months. Oh my god. What? Are you okay? Oh my god, should I call an ambulance? What? No, I'm totally okay. He wasn't the right guy for me, you know. Are you crying? No, I didn't cry. Why should I cry? You know how he treated me. Like, he wasn't the right guy for me. But you're such a sweet couple. How can you be so heartless? Oh my god. Even I'm crying now. Girl, you're such an emotional. You know how he treated me. Another thing that I noticed is that if you're a boy, if you're gay or trans or something that is not straight and cisgender, people will often likely to be more like rude about that. Versus if you're a girl and you're a lesbian or you're kissing your friend that's a girl, they're like, yes, go girl, you're so hot. I'm lesbian, I'm transgender female to male, I'm non-binary, I'm everything that you can imagine in the LGBTQ community because I think it's so cool and amazing. Yay! Do you like me still? Oh, you're a lesbian, that's so cool. All my female friends are lesbian. Well, because the only female friends that my girlfriend let me have is lesbians. So, yeah, but it's totally cool. I support you. Yay! I feel loved. I feel good. I want to kiss a girl and all the world will love me. And if you're a boy kissing a boy, it's like, what the fuck? Like, what is he doing? He's so gay. Oh my god. Like, I love boys, you know. I love a good sexy man. Bro, are you gay? That's so disgusting. So what if I'm gay? That's totally okay. Gay is okay, honey. Should I get my nails done maybe? You fucking faggot. What do you think you're doing? That's not good. Being gay, not good. You know, being gay is okay. I love boys. I love hot dudes. I love guys. Why should I hide that? Go and like girls. You're queer. And yeah, that's so rude. Like, people, like, we're all human. Come on, bitch. What do you think of that? Now the fourth difference, like number 4, difference number 4 between being a boy versus being a girl is what turns you on. Yes, I said it. What turns you on? So I feel like being a boy with testosterone in your body, you can get turned on so easily by something visual, and it doesn't matter even if it's visual or if it's something bad or a bad person, but visually it attracts you, so you just get turned on by that. Dude, this girl is so fine. Damn, you're sexy in those leggings. Come on, give me your number. Sorry? Rude. Hell no. Come on, give me your number. We can hang out sometimes. I'm sure you're an awesome girl and you have awesome personality. With body like yours, I'm sure your personality is so sexy as well. You're so rude. Ow. You're crazy. Damn. But if you're a girl, I don't know, like person with estrogen in their body and you identify as a girl and also you have some standards, you will get turned on by something that you're also emotionally attached to or that you can relate to, I guess, and not like only physical and visual stuff. Girl, I mean, like, yes, he looks good, but I mean, like, he's a jerk, you know? I can't be attracted to that. Now, the fifth difference is that people often expect boys to be more bad. Like, people won't be surprised if a guy has a bad habit or is like not living healthy or not like treating people well, and that's such a general thing to say, but it's so true because people won't be so surprised if a guy is rude or smoking cigarettes or spitting in the street. Oh yeah, bro, what's up? Yeah, you want to come to smoke a cigarette? Oh yeah. Smoking is so cool. Yeah, I like to smoke. Hey lady, stop. You're so hot. Oh yeah, give me your number, please. But if a girl does those stuff, it's not okay by the society eye. It's not feminine, it's not cute, it's not good. Society thinks that girls can smoke, girls can't drink, girls can't spit in the streets, girls often can't defend themselves. But society will definitely look at those stuff more weirdly if a girl does this versus if a guy does it. Dude, that's so disgusting. Are you smoking? You're a girl, you're not supposed to smoke. Yes, I like to smoke, so what? Why my boyfriend can do it and not me? I'm a person also, I can smoke as much as I want to. That makes no sense. Sir, I don't care what you're saying, I'll do whatever I want. So unattractive. Now the last difference is that people often would expect girls to be smarter than boys, but that's so not true because I know so many stupid girls and so many dumb boys, and the contrary, you know, like smart girls and smart boys. But that's just what society expects again. And like, if a girl goes to school, her parents, her classmates, her teacher would all expect her to be smarter and more dedicated to school. Of course, that's not true. That's just an example of what society looks at girls versus guys, but that's just, I guess, the most basic way to put it out there. School. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, yes, my beautiful student, such a good student. Learn, baby, learn the ABC. It. I don't want to learn. Why, when my brother doesn't want to study and doesn't make his homeworks, the teacher always forgives him? Like, why? Because he's a boy and he's meant to be stupid or something? I don't understand. No, but you're the girls are the pride of this class. Come on, give us some good grades. Go to university. Be smart, as you're destined to be. Often people would expect girls to be smarter and more dedicated to school and more dedicated to their grades versus guys. Well, my dear boy, why didn't you make your homework? Oh, my dog ate my homework. Really? Is that so? Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, I guess. You're free to go home if you want to. Maybe their parents will tell them a few times that they need to learn good and to get good grades, but honey, when it comes to the real tests, if the boy doesn't want to learn, he will not learn at school, honey. Society expects girls to be smarter and boys to be goofier, to not so serious about being smart. I don't know how to put it out there in a better way, but that's just how it felt like. When I was a boy at school, people did expect me to get good grades, but not as good as when I was a girl. And like the teachers, they were like so around me about it when I was a girl in school, and there was like, of course you're going to get a good grade. I felt like because I was a girl and you're supposed to be smart and like love to learn at school, I guess, versus when I was a boy at school, they did expect me to get good grades, but they wasn't like choking me about it. So yeah, that was the differences between living as a boy versus living as a girl, my perspective, a trans woman's perspective, and I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, make sure to share it, show it to your friends, like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my socials. It's all linked down below. If you want to ask me a personal question and get a personal video that's answering your question, make sure to hit me up on my Wisio, and don't forget to watch my Catch Beauty laser hair removal device video where I reviewed it. And if you want, I have a coupon code 5% off. It's not far. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys, have a great day, great morning, and great evening. Love you. Mwah.